Hi students, good morning. The next and last topic is interaction overview diagram. Interaction overview diagram is a hybrid combination of activity diagram and sequence diagram. The main focusing on interaction diagram is flow of control of interactions. The interaction sequence diagram is considered as activity diagram holding sequence diagram as activities, or sequence diagram broken up into activities. In either way, both are correct. So it means it can be considered as an activity diagram holding sequence diagram as activities. ఇలా చెప్పచ్చు, or sequence diagram broken up in activities అని చెప్పచ్చు. So both ways are correct. So in this interaction diagram, elements for interaction overview diagram is same as activity and sequence diagrams. So in this interaction overview diagram, each individual activity can be pictured as a frame which consists of nested interaction diagram. The interaction overview diagram is used to deconstruct a complex scenario. Otherwise, we require multiple if then else statements to represent as a single sequence diagram. So let us consider some important points in interaction overview diagram. So first one is the interaction overview diagram focuses on the overview of the flow of control of the interactions అంటున్నాం. Second, it is similar to the activity diagram in that both visualize a sequence of activities. So it means it is a combination, it is a hybrid combination of activity and sequence diagram అంటున్నాం. So it means activity diagram holding sequence diagram as activities. Activity diagram holding sequence diagram as activities, or we can say that sequence diagram broken up in activities. Both ways are correct. Next point, the difference is that for an interaction overview diagram, each individual activity is pictured as a frame which can contains a nested interaction diagram. Okay. Next, this makes the interaction overview diagram is useful to deconstruct a complex scenario that would otherwise require multiple if then else paths to be represented as a single sequence diagram. Next, coming to the notations of interaction overview diagram. First notation is initial node. So initial node means an initial node is control node at which flow starts when the activity is invoked. An activity may have more than one initial node. So it is a representation of initial node. Initial node is also called as starting node or beginning node. Next one is activity final node. An activity may have more than one activity final node. The first one reached stops all flow in the activities. So it is the activity final node notation. Activity final node is also called as end node or stop node. Next, control flow. Control flow means a control flow is an edge that starts an activity node after the previous one is finished. So activity node ఎలా ఇస్తామంటే solid line with arrow head. Next, decision node. A decision node accepts tokens on an incoming edge and presents them to multiple outgoing edges is known as decision nodes. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే వన్ ఇన్కమింగ్ ఎడ్జ్ ఉంటుంది, మోర్ దాన్ వన్ అవుట్ గోయింగ్ ఎడ్జెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ ఎ డెసిషన్. నెక్స్ట్, మెర్జ్ నోడ్. మెర్జ్ నోడ్ అంటే ఏంటంటే మెర్జ్ నోడ్ is also called as control node. So it have multiple alternative flows. We have multiple incoming edges and one single outgoing edge. So here a merge node is a control node that brings together multiple alternative flows. A merge node has multiple incoming edges and a single outgoing edge. Multiple incoming edges. See the notation. So multiple incoming edges and one single outgoing edge. The notations, all the elements in this interaction overview diagram is same as activity and sequence diagrams. సో మనం వాడే నోటేషన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా సీక్వెన్స్ యాక్టివిటీలో వాడే నోటేషన్సే ఇక్కడ మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాము. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ ఫోర్క్ నోడ్. సో ఫోర్క్ నోడ్ మీన్స్ ఫోర్క్ నోడ్ has only one incoming edge and multiple outgoing edges. It means fork node can split flow into multiple concurrent flows or parallel flows. So here a fork node is a control node that splits a flow into multiple concurrent flows or parallel flows. A fork node has one incoming edge and multiple outgoing edges. We have only one incoming edge and multiple outgoing edges. Next, interaction. So interaction is a unit of behavior. An interaction is a unit of behavior that focuses on the observable exchange of information between connectable elements is called as interaction. So let us consider an example. So example చూసామనుకోండి, it is one interaction, it is the another one interaction. సో ఇంటరాక్షన్ మనము జస్ట్ ఒక ఫ్రేమ్గా చూపిస్తాం అనమాట. సో ఇట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ యూనిట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వన్ యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ బిహేవియర్ దట్ ఫోకసింగ్ ఆన్ అబ్జర్వబుల్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ బిట్వీన్ కనెక్టబుల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అని చెప్తాం. ఇస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఇంటరాక్షన్. It is one of the interaction. In this interaction we have sequence diagram. Next, interaction use. So interaction use ఏంటంటే large and complex sequence diagrams could be simplified with interaction uses. It is also common to reuse some interaction between several other interactions. Next, let us consider an example for interaction overview diagram. So it is an interaction overview diagram example for software update. So here initial node, decision node or decision box. So it is interaction. See, this is the sequence diagram. Decision node, activity, final node or stop node. So according to our definition, interaction overview diagram is a hybrid combination of activity diagram and sequence diagram అని చెప్పాం. సో ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ గమనిస్తే, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ యాక్టివిటీ అండ్ సీక్వెన్స్ డయాగ్రామ్ అండ్ యాక్టివిటీ కాంబినేషన్ కలిగి ఉంటుంది. సో ఇన్ దిస్ యాక్టివిటీ ఓవర్వ్యూ డయాగ్రామ్ the figure shows interaction overview diagram of software update functionality. So here the diagram will show that software update functionality. If update is present locally, software should start to update in local server, local systems. Otherwise it has to update information on server. So it means the diagram will show that software update functionality. If update is present locally, software should start to update. Otherwise it has to look at the server for any updates. So the diagram will help us to visualize two functionality of the object behavior. Okay, so ikkada manam starting node, so here decision node, local update. Okay, next goes to the interaction software local, two objects, update available, yes, start update, then install. next decision box, stop state. If server update is required, then goes to this interaction. So here software database, update request, validate request, send acknowledgement, start update, next install. Next goes to the decision box and stop the activity. So it is the interaction overview diagram for software updation functionality. So first of all, it will checking the software update functionality. If any updates is present locally, then software should start to update. Okay. Otherwise, it has look to the server for any update. Okay. Overall చూసామనుకోండి, ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ బేస్ చేసుకొని we can able to understand, we can able to visualize two functionality of object behavior. Okay, it is the interaction overview diagram. Okay, ma, if you have any doubts, you can contact or text me in WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.